Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this past weekend was another busy weekend for me. I helped to decorate 2 baby showers. So I'm gonna focus on the first baby shower in this video, and then in my next video, you'll see how the other baby shower came out, okay? Now let's get into the setup. It was definitely a simple setup. Normally, I don't record the simple setups for you guys, but I wanted to show you this color combination. So this was the first time that I used these balloon colors together, and I really want to know what you guys think, okay? So let's get into the setup, and then make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video because, of course, I have some lessons learned for you guys. All right, so let's get started. So that was the baby shower setup. Let me know in the comments. I cannot wait to hear what you guys think about that color combination. That was my first time using navy blue, pink, and then rose gold. Honestly, I really liked the way that it looked, but when I set everything up, all I could think was that this would be perfect for a gender reveal. So now you guys know I'm gonna have to set aside some time to bring you guys some ideas for gender reveals, all right? Now, let's get into the lessons learned because I do have 2 of them for you guys. So the first lesson learned with this event is that I need to make sure that I'm always checking with the event planner the week of the event just to confirm all of the timelines. So what ended up happening with this event is that the day before the baby shower, I found out that it started an hour earlier. So I was under the impression that the baby shower started at 11 a.m. And then when I looked at the timeline, the baby shower actually started at 10 a.m. So the event planner, I'm not sure what happened, why there was a miscommunication with me with the start time, but yeah. So thank goodness I was able to get to the venue a little bit earlier because I always like to give myself 2 hours for setup. So just let that be a lesson to you guys. You always want to make sure that you're checking with the event planner. I would recommend the Monday before the event. You want to make sure that you're checking with them on the timelines to make sure that nothing has changed. The event start time, the event end time, the setup time, the cleanup time, because you don't want to be in a position on the day of the event and find out that something has changed. And here's my second lesson with this event. So for me, you guys know I have stepped into more of an event designer role. So with my events, I really handle all of the design. So my client is coming to me and they're giving me inspiration pictures and I'm figuring out how to bring their theme to life. So with this event, there really wasn't a theme or a clear vision on the theme. I was trying to work with the event planner and get as many details as possible. When she had reached out to me initially, she said that it would be a popping bottles theme, right? So for me, I'm like, okay, what does that mean? Like, does that mean champagne bottles? Does that mean baby bottles? You know, what does that mean? And I couldn't really get as much information as I wanted to really be able to design the backdrop, right? And create the balloon display. So with this event, I think the event planner was doing more of coordination. So I don't think she took on a full event planning role in this event. So I think that was the reason why she didn't necessarily know all the details that I needed. So going forward, what I'm gonna do is if the event planner doesn't know the vision for the decorations, I'm just gonna ask them, can I reach out to the client directly? So I'm gonna work with the client directly on the vision and then putting together the design for the event. I just felt like when I left that event, I felt like I wanted to do more, you know, for the client. And so, yeah, that's just really hard for me. I just felt like with that theme, that popping bottles theme, I just feel like if I would have worked directly with the client, that we could have incorporated like little elements so that people would have got the theme. All right, guys. So that was the baby shower that I decorated. Make sure you leave your comments to let me know what you think about that color combination. In my next video, you are going to see the other baby shower that I decorated. And guess what the theme was? It was another teddy bear baby shower, all right? If you have any questions on any of the materials that I used, please make sure you check the description of this video. If you have any other questions, please let me know, and I'll see you in my next video.